You've just finished your creative response. The story is brilliant, the characters are alive, but you're only halfway there. Now comes the written explanation, the part that separates a good piece from an excellent one. Think of it this way. The creative piece is your artwork, but the explanation is where you prove you're the artist, not just someone who got lucky. It's not an afterthought, it's the analytical heart of the task. Your goal isn't to describe what you wrote, but to justify why you wrote it that way. You're showing the assessor that every choice, the perspective, the tone, the form, was deliberate and deeply connected to the original text. The best way to do this is with a tight 4-paragraph structure. First, state your context and purpose. What did you create, and what were you trying to achieve with it? Second, demonstrate your deep understanding of the original text, referencing specific details to prove you know it intimately. Third, and this is crucial, is explaining your creative choices using meta-language. Don't just say, I used symbolism. Say, I employed the recurring symbol of the broken clock to represent the character's fractured sense of time, a direct echo of the source text thematic concern with memory. See the difference? You're not just listing techniques, you're explaining their effect. You're moving from what you did to how and why it works. Finally, a brief reflection synthesizes your argument. Throughout, avoid the common pitfalls, vagueness, pure description, or a weak justification. Be confident and analytical. Your explanation transforms your creativity from a feeling into an argument. It's the proof that your work isn't just creative, it's critically aware.